Okay, here we are with the other pieces of shielding and the muffler removed and everything here. And here's that extra tab I was talking about that isn't used in my application. And this airflow across the head here being blocked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bracket here, and I've marked it, and I'm going to cut some, whoops, knock some stuff over there. I'm going to cut some pieces out of that bracket, kind of make it similar to the other side over here. I can't see that very well, but the other side's much smaller setup, less airflow. You can see by how clean the fins are, there's been no issues with airflow through here. Now this side, like I say, I already took all the goop out of there, but I haven't blown it out and cleaned it out yet. So you can see that was, that was just packed completely full. There was no airflow through there at all, causing that to overheat and bend them push rods. So anyway, I got to pull the head and get that valve guide back in there. I'll grind a little ring around it to where it goes back down into the head. And when I shove it down the head, then I'll peen that with a punch. I'll peen around the edges on both ends of it to get the aluminum of the head down into the groove that I cut in the valve guide. So that'll hold it in position better. I didn't do that the last time. I just put it back in place and thought, well, I cleaned it all out. That ought to fix it up. Well, it lasted for one summer, so this time I'm going to grind that valve guide and peen it in better this time and see if I can stop that. Like I say, the root cause, though, is the overheating on this thing. So hopefully with getting some meat off that bracket, shouldn't weaken that up, because all that does is hold the shield on the motor, and that just controls where the air is supposed to flow, but hell, it can't get through there because there's, this bracket's just blocking the airflow completely almost. So it's just filling up with goop and causing it to overheat. So I'll see what I can do about getting that fixed. Maybe I'll show another picture once I get that ground and put back on.